Hello everybody and welcome back to another unboxing video. This time it's of WWE Ultimate Edition 23, Rey Mysterio in his orange gear. Here is the side of the packaging with Rey Mysterio's picture. Here's the back of the packaging. It says here that he is 5'6". He's from San Diego, California. Finisher is the West Coast Pop. Career highlights: WWE Champion and WWE Hall of Fame inductee. WrestleMania 39 was a night of mixed emotions for the legendary luchador Rey Mysterio. On one hand, he was inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame. On the other hand, he had no choice but to face his own son, Dominic, in a battle for respect that was as personal as it gets. Alright everybody, here is Rey Mysterio out of the packaging. Alright everybody, here are the open interchangeable hands for Rey Mysterio. Here is the vest. The entrance vest for Rey Mysterio is the front of it. Here's the back. Alright, and here's the alternate head scan for Rey Mysterio. Orange, black, and yellow design here. It's the back. Alright everybody, here is Rey Mysterio out of the packaging. And oh my goodness, this is a very detailed, very flexible, articulated figure. This is the head scan, the top body mold for Rey Mysterio. Of course, you have the belt here, which you could take off. It's attached by Velcro. Here's the bottom half of his ring gear. It's a 619 Mysterio. Yellow boots. Alright everybody, here is Rey Mysterio fully posed and out of the packaging with his entrance gear on, his entrance vest. And this is a really detailed, tremendous figure of Rey Mysterio. Alright everybody, here is Rey Mysterio posed alongside some WWE superstars he's had some matches and programs with. We have members of Judgment Day here. We have an Elite Finn Balor, JD McDonough. Of course, you have an Ultimate Edition Dominic Mysterio here. We have Santos Escobar here from the Elite LWO 5-pack. We have Xavier Woods, an Elite Xavier Woods. Alright everybody, thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing video of this Ultimate Edition Rey Mysterio figure. Thank you guys so much for 600 plus subscribers. I just noticed I had over 600 subscribers last time I posted videos on here. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and liking my videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys all later. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you. Appreciate it.